baobab. 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 You may have heard that name. You may have even seen this, strangely reminiscent of a giant testicle fruit. You may possibly have actually tasted the powder that comes from this fruit. If you've done any of those things, you may have asked yourself, what is so special about the African baobab fruit? How's it guys? I'm Gus, the African Plant Hunter. I am here at a trade show in Nuremberg, Germany, selling organic foods, and I'm doing what I do for my day job, which is to market a whole range of African natural ingredients to the rest of the world. And I thought I would take the opportunity to just fill you in a little bit about this amazing fruit. So this is the third part in a three-part series talking about the health properties of the baobab fruit. This fruit is sometimes referred to as nature's multivitamin, the ultimate immune-building, strength-giving African fruit. What's so special about it? Well, let me tell you guys. So, very well known for its vitamin C content, which is exceptionally high. Somewhere in the level of 150 to 220 milligrams per 100 grams, if that number means anything to you. Let's just say many times more than an orange and most other fruit that you know. It's also well known for the electrolytes that occur in very high levels, magnesium and potassium. Some of you may have heard the buzz around coconut water as a source of electrolytes. Well, let me tell you that in baobab, a little bit of powder mixed in water, the potassium levels are much higher than in coconut water, much higher than in a banana. And they're right here in this little amazing African fruit. We've also got some essential minerals here, calcium in extremely high levels, and iron. Now, the beautiful thing about the baobab fruit is the fact that the vitamin C levels in here are so high that they enhance the ability of your body to absorb the calcium, the iron, and other essential micronutrients. So it comes as one complete package. Were you to consume 5 to 10 grams of baobab fruit powder every day, I wouldn't just put it straight in your mouth, maybe mix it with some water, put it in a smoothie, have it with some porridge. It would do a great deal to support your overall health and well-being, giving you a very diverse intestinal microbiome, building up your immunity, keeping you strong against metabolic diseases, moderating your glycemic response, and overall giving you a series of essential nutrients in a super bioavailable format that you might not otherwise get in your daily diet. So guys, if you want my top tip for the #1 African plant to enhance your nutritional welfare, it is this, the baobab fruit. I hope you've enjoyed that, guys. If this is the first time we've ever met, my name is Gus, the African Plant Hunter. What I normally do is travel around Africa showing people our rich heritage of indigenous plants, indigenous trees. Today I'm in Germany, a little bit far away from Africa, but I'm trying to sell them. So I thought I'd give you guys a little opportunity to see it. If you like it, there's plenty more on my YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, AfricanPlantHunter.com. Just hit that little subscribe button and you'll never go without your regular dose of the African Plant Hunter. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. I will catch you again. Bye.